technology of iPhone. The utility pattern is of a concept. The design pattern is outside look of a concept. The next one is a plant pattern. The plant pattern can be considered in the examples of cuttings or not seeds. It will be consideration in the reproduction or sales or distribution in the examples of without receiving any license or any other agriculture or horticulture. That can be considered in this plant patent. Without receiving any license for that product, we will able to reproduction, sales and distribution of ideas with any other plant privatization for a minimum of rights in 20 years. It will have examples of in the cultivated states in potatoes are not found in the wild areas. These three will be most implemented pattern for the three types will be the most implemented in the pattern files, ma'am.